Hi guys, so today I'm sharing this great product with you guys. This is called a falscara. Looks like this. So what is this? This is a glue meant for putting on your eyelashes, and adhesive with the help of which you stick your eyelashes. But there's something different about this glue. So a regular glue, I don't know if you've seen, just like most of them are a regular glue bottle, or they might come in a tube packaging. But this one you will notice, so there are two sections to this. Let me show you. So there is one section which says the bond, and right, so which has this pulley brush, which you may use to, so this bond is the adhesive section, that bit, and the other thing, the blue one, says seal. So this is something extra with this thing. Again, this has a transparent spoolie brush, so this is something sheer, has no color. So what this does, the seal bit, this is not a glue. This is a special kind of component which has vitamin E, and what it does, it after you've done the whole job of putting on your eyelashes, it nicely wipes off or just removes any kind of residue that you might have on your eyelashes during the process of application of the eyelashes. And by the way, I'm just going to show you how you use falscara to put on your eyelashes as well. Guys, let me show you how you use this product to put on your eyelashes. It's actually very simple, but you do need another product, which is the eyelashes. So of course you need the falscara, and what I'm using is the brand is called Dye Silk. Comes in a packaging like this. So this is the packet. I'm using why I like this, because this has like a lot of different variety, as you can see, all shapes, sizes. We have the scanty ones, we have the tense ones. So I like this because I can just choose the one I prefer. So these are the two things you need, guys. What you need to do is you will begin with putting on a layer of the bond from the falscara. Apply a layer to your eyelashes. Don't wait for it to dry up. Just instantly, the moment you apply the the bond, while the eyelashes are still damp, quickly take a wisp from the lash box and just put it very, very softly along your the lash line, so to say, and press it, squeeze it for few seconds if the need be, because at times if you don't do that, it just comes out, it wouldn't stay. And you will notice after good 5 to 10 seconds it's gonna be in place, it will stay. And then what you do, you come back to the falscara, you take the seal section, that bit and just utilizing the spoolie brush, just nicely put it on your lashes. So you will notice, if at all there was something clumsy or sticky around it, it will just nicely come off with this seal bit. So guys, few I think good things about this falscara, according to me, very, very handy, because I've personally spent a whopping amount getting this thing done in a salon, getting artificial eyelashes done. So if you have these two products at home at a nominal cost, you can just do it yourself, which saves a lot of not only cost, but I think time and energy as well. But of course, the only flip side is you need practice. So let me tell you, when you try putting on lashes for the first time, it's always messy. You might just fail initial, I don't know, maybe 2-3 times, but with practice you will realize that it's super simple. Also, another good thing about this one is this is super light, so I can just carry it even when I'm traveling. So that is something nice. And I just I'll pick up 2-3 lashes which I'm gonna use, and yeah, just put it in my travel luggage. Another thing I liked about this product is that it has biotin. So I don't know if you guys know, but biotin is wonderful for hair growth, nail growth. So it's supposed to definitely add some nourishment to the hair. So when it comes to again your eyelashes, it's supposed to add some nourishment as well, although it's not like a eye care product, it's more like an aesthetic thing. But I like the fact that they've put some nice ingredient as well. So personally used it so many times. I wear it my lashes, and they stay all day long. So I think the glue, the adhesive, is also doing a good job really handy. As I said initially, I used to, you know, get these things done from a salon, so only I know. This thing has been like a blessing. Whenever I want that like extra, you know, kick in my eye makeup, in my eye look, I just tend to spend, you know, 10 minutes at home, just put on my lashes, and voila, I'm good to go.